Hey guys, welcome back. Today I just want to show you this little vintage piece of watchmaking that I got a couple of weeks ago, and I've been enjoying it, wearing it, and it's just a great little watch. And this is a Cortébert, and this is to many of you will be unknown company, but I don't know much about it either, but today I have this one and I'm going to show you. So you know me guys, I do love my vintage watches, and Cortebert is a brand that I had and I found one of my earliest YouTube videos. I did a video about this one, and I used to own a vintage Cortébert, which I down the road sold, and ever since then I never quite found the exact minty piece example that I had. And all these watches that went through my hands, I was always on the lookout to find one in a nice condition. And after all those YouTube videos and all those watches, I found one, and this is a vintage Cortébert watch. It doesn't even have a second hand, so this is a ultra thin watch from the probably 50s, I don't know. And Cortebert was a premium watch manufacturer and watchmaker, and they make some seriously good watches and seriously good looking watches. The rumor has it they even sold some of the movements to Rolex, but I cannot verify that. It's all the stuff I found online on internet. But the thing is, they were founded in the 1790s, and you can see it back on the back plates since 1790s. They were founded and up until probably somewhere in the mid 70s, where the quartz crisis happened, I presume, the company ceased to exist. But if you look on eBay, if you look on flea markets, online, you can find some great vintage Cortébert watches. You can also find vintage Cortébert pocket watches. They also produced watches for some railroads of various countries, so you can it's no surprise if you find one of those with the trains and whatnot. This here is an example of ultra thin watch, and that was the height of the horology back in the days. They were competing who will make thinner and more capable movement in a more thinner case, rather than today where people are competing who will make a chunkier case. If you like watches, you can definitely appreciate something like that. And if you know a little bit about horology and how hard it is to produce an ultra thin movement and thin watch, then you can appreciate this watch even more, and you can understand where it's coming from. So this is a Cortébert. I will roll in the photos at the end of this video to show you the movement inside. Unfortunately, it's a bit hard to close this case back. It's a pressure fit, so when I open it, it's a bit hard to close it back. So I took some photos when I first wanted to see that. But yeah, this is a simple example of a watch from the times that were different, much different than today. And today we have chunky big watches, divers, and back in the days these were all the rage, and this watch can definitely do you well in a black tie event, and it can serve you well. I found this one under $100, and you can definitely find some of them on eBay probably. And this is an ultra thin. This is a stainless steel case, and it has a gold colored bezel. So I'm not sure if this is an 18 karat gold colored bezel or just a gold plated bezel, but nevertheless it's in pristine condition, and I think it could be even golden bezel, but I'm not really sure. I don't really care about gold. I care about this watch and the beauty of it, and I definitely am in love with this one. It has it's not perfect, has that little bit of a patina on the dial, but some people find it charming and they love it. I prefer clean dials, but this one is definitely really interesting and cool watch. Even if you are a novice collector, you can add one to your collection, and it's definitely very nice. It has a signed crown, and it's just a gorgeous piece of watchmaking from the times gone by. And even it has a Toscana period bracelet band that came on this watch, and I believe this could be original band that came on this watch when you purchased it. And overall, super nice watch, and definitely it's an honor to show you this one again. And this is a 35mm watch, because that was the standard size, but you can see on my 18.5 centimeter wrist, it looks quite nice. So thank you for watching. I'm EDC Gunner, and see you on the next one.